Agricultural waste poses significant environmental and economic challenges. Crop residues, animal manure, and discarded produce often end up in landfills, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and waste management issues. However, this waste holds untapped potential. Composting agricultural waste creates nutrient-rich organic fertilizers, sought after by eco-conscious farmers and gardeners. This natural process reduces waste, conserves water, and promotes sustainable agriculture. By selling compost, farmers can generate additional income. Agricultural waste can be converted into bioenergy and biogas, providing clean energy solutions. Anaerobic digestion plants produce biogas, which can power farms, homes, or even vehicles. This renewable energy source reduces dependence on fossil fuels and generates revenue. Agricultural waste can be transformed into various value-added products. Animal feed, paper, cardboard, and even textiles can be produced from crop residues. These innovative products open up new markets and revenue streams for farmers. In conclusion, agricultural waste is no longer a liability, but an opportunity. By embracing sustainable practices, farmers can reduce waste, generate income, and contribute to a greener future. Join the revolution in sustainable agriculture. Explore the potential of waste-to-wealth strategies and create a prosperous future for yourself and the environment.